And there you heard witnesses who were at the spot. The unfortunate news coming in after one night of rain. A canopy crashed at the Terminal 1 of the Delhi airport. Civil Aviation Minister Ram Mohan Naidu reached the spot, took stock. 20 lakh compensation has been announced for the kin of the deceased. Right now, there are pictures on your screens of the Civil Aviation Minister meeting those who've been injured because of the airport roof collapse. Politics has begun around this. Leader after leader of the opposition training guns at the Modi government. Leaders of the Trinamool Congress say that the Prime Minister, this is their charge, that the Prime Minister hurriedly inaugurated T1, keeping an eye on polls, and this happened in March. A counter has also come in from sources in the government and also from the Civil Aviation Minister. He's countered the claims made by the opposition that T1 was hurriedly inaugurated by the Prime Minister, keeping elections in mind. The Civil Aviation Minister put this on record that it was another part of the building that was inaugurated. So, war of words is now escalating. Akansha has been on the spot. She's been getting us the latest. Let's watch this report that she filed.
The national capital has come to a standstill. While on our way to the airport, we actually passed through the ITO area, through the Parliament area, and all the areas in the central Delhi were completely inundated in water. And here at the Delhi airport, as you know, a very tragic incident took place at 5 o'clock in the morning. There you can see the NDRF officials who are taking stock of the situation and also making sure that no more people are currently under the rubble. But this is the area where that tragic incident took place. 8 people injured, 1 lost his life because of this incident. Many cars were parked under it. All the taxi drivers who stand there waiting for the passengers, their cars got crushed. There was a person present inside the car when the portion of the wall collapsed over him. He's the one who lost his life because of this. And you can also see that there are various passengers here also facing inconvenience. So in the morning, because of the incessant rains, the entire national capital has come to a standstill, be it the areas in the national capital or this busiest airport in India, that is the IGI airport.
Akansha continues to stay with us as we get you the latest. There are pictures coming in on your screens from various parts of the national capital. The charge leveled by the Bharatiya Janata Party is that infrastructure is collapsing because the Aam Aadmi Party has failed to resolve any kind of governance issues when it comes to the national capital. Akansha is with us. Akansha, the Civil Aviation Minister has taken stock. A compensation has been announced for the kin of the deceased. But tell us, when it comes to the investigation, what is the latest that we know that's coming in from both the DGCA and the Civil Aviation Ministry?
The Civil Aviation Minister Ram Mohan Naidu today visited the spot and took stock of the situation, and after that he spoke to media and said that now probe will be ordered in this and strict action will be taken against whosoever is responsible for this. But most importantly, the regulatory body DGCA will oversee the entire investigation, because this definitely raises questions on the safety of the structure, on whether it was right or not. So that question arises, and on that the minister also agreed and said that strict action will be taken against those whosoever is responsible for this. He took stock of the situation. He was briefed by the officials, and now after visiting the spot, he went to the Medanta hospital where he met with one person who received injuries, and he has announced that compensation of 3 lakh will be given to all those who have received injury, because remember it was a very shocking incident that has happened. The entire canopy has collapsed from gate 1 to gate 2, and there were a lot of cars parked under it. Drivers usually wait there to in fact wait for the passengers, and there was one driver who was sitting inside the car when the roof collapsed and fell onto his car. That driver has lost his life. For in fact his family, the central government has announced a compensation of 20 lakh rupees. But as far as the investigation is concerned, right now the Delhi police team, CISF, they are present on the spot and they are seeing as to what is the reason for the collapse. We asked this question to the Civil Aviation Minister and he said that reason currently is not known. They will order an inquiry into this, which will be overseen by DGCA. And
so the Civil Aviation Minister also emphasized that the technical aspect of this very, the crash that took place, the roof collapse, will also be investigated. Akansha, stay with us because now we are getting visuals from across the national capital. Heavy downpour affected several areas of Delhi. The rain caused traffic congestion and waterlogging in the city. Commuters in many places, in fact, faced inconvenience because of the waterlogged streets. Not only this, roads have also caved in Delhi's Rohini area, and this happened right next to the metro station. A car, in fact, got submerged. On your screens currently are pictures coming in from Connaught Place and Minto Bridge. But as we get you these pictures, let's also go across to Muralidhar Manor, who is the Civil Aviation, MOS Civil Aviation. Good morning, sir. Unfortunate what has happened at T1 of the Delhi airport. What's the next step when it comes to the investigation?
और DGCA के माध्यम से हमने वहाँ की पूरी जांच करने के सूचना हमारे मिनिस्टर नायडू जी ने हमने दिया है। अभी DGCA के माध्यम से वहाँ की पूरी जांच होगी। वहाँ पे एक डेथ हो गई है और 5 लोग इंजर्ड है। तो माननीय PM साहब भी सुबह से इसका बिल्कुल क्लोज से मॉनिटरिंग भी कर रहे हैं। उसमें से अभी जो डेथ हुई है उनके लिए 20 लाख का जुर्माना, मुआवजा 20 लाख का मुआवजा, जो इंजर्ड है उनके लिए 3 लाख की मदद हमने यहाँ पे घोषित की है। अभी वहाँ पे सब इंक्वायरी होने के बाद रिपोर्ट आएगा, लेकिन ये 2009 का जो काम था टर्मिनल का हुआ था उसका एक पार्ट था। अभी उसके बाद पूरे देश में जो स्ट्रक्चरल इंस्पेक्शन करने की सूचनाएं भी हमारे मिनिस्टर ने दी है, हमारे नायडू सर ने। तो चल रहा है, देखते हैं। अभी जो इंजर्ड है वो भी हॉस्पिटल में है। हम दोनों भी पर्सनली हॉस्पिटल, एयरपोर्ट दोनों जगह पे जाके आए हैं, देख रहे हैं सब क्लोजली। हम दोनों भी मॉनिटरिंग वहां से कर रहे हैं।
मुरलीधर माहौल जी, विपक्ष की तरफ से ये टिप्पणियां आ रही है कि चुनाव के पहले प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी ने एक बहुत हरीड वे में उन्होंने इनॉग्रेशन कर दिया था और जिस वजह से पूरा इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर क्रम्बल हो रहा है।
ये टर्मिनल वो नहीं था, ये 2009 में जो काम हुआ है उसका एक पार्ट गिरा है। ये जो मोदी जी ने जो टर्मिनल का इनोवेशन किया ये उसका पार्ट नहीं है, बिल्कुल नहीं है। ये साफ है, क्योंकि किसी भी चीज में राजनीति नहीं करनी चाहिए। ये थोड़ा सेंसिटिव इश्यू है, एक आदमी की जान गई है। मुझे लगता है कि हर ऐसे इश्यू में राजनीति अच्छी नहीं। ये 2009 का काम है, ये मैंने खुद जाके वहां पे अभी मालूमात ली है, तो ये बिल्कुल गलत है मेरे हिसाब।
नहीं, टाइम्स नाउ के दर्शकों के सामने आप फैक्ट्स रखिए, क्योंकि विपक्ष बार बार, और सिर्फ कांग्रेस पार्टी नहीं, हम तृणमूल कांग्रेस भी, मुरलीधर माहौल जी, तृणमूल कांग्रेस भी यही कह रही है कि मार्च के महीने में ये इनॉग्रेशन हो चुका था और आज इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर की हालत देखिए। गवर्नमेंट सोर्सेज से भी हमको ये खबर मिला है कि ये तो 2008 में हुआ था, जो GMR ने जो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट था वो प्राइवेट कॉन्ट्रैक्टर्स को दे दिया था। आप फैक्ट्स दर्शकों के सामने रखिए।
ये बिल्कुल सच है कि ये 2008-2009 का काम है, जब इसका इनोवेशन हुआ था। मोदी जी तो 2014 में आए हैं प्रधानमंत्री बन के। जो आरोप लगाए जा रहे हैं बहुत गलत है। मुझे लगता है कि ये क्लियर है कि ये 2009 का है, 8 का है। तो इस जो आरोप करे उस पर बेबुनियाद है, ये लोगों को समझ में आता है। मुझे नहीं लगता कि ऐसे हर एक चीज में राजनीति की जाए। ये जो हुआ है ये दुर्घटना है, इसको मुझे लगता है कि थोड़ा सा उस पर काम करना चाहिए। ये ऐसे राजनीति का समय नहीं है।
मोहल जी, एक आखिरी सवाल आपसे लूंगी क्योंकि पैसेंजर आज बहुत चिंतित है। जो टर्मिनल 1 है दिल्ली एयरपोर्ट का सबसे बिजी एक टर्मिनल हमेशा रहता है, ट्रैफिक बहुत ज्यादा है पैसेंजर्स के लिए। पैसेंजर सेफ्टी के माध्यम से आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे जब पैसेंजर सेफ्टी की बात आती है?
नहीं, बिल्कुल। अभी तो पूरे देश के सभी टर्मिनल जो है उसके इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर जो है उसका स्ट्रक्चरल इंस्पेक्शन करने के आदेश दिए गए हैं। दूसरी बात, आज जो हमारे सभी यात्रियों को जो तकलीफ हुई है, तो 2 बजे तक सभी उड़ानें जो है तो वो अभी कैंसिल कर दी है, लेकिन 3 की 2 के बाद टर्मिनल 2 और टर्मिनल 3 में ये शिफ्ट कर दिया है। जब तक ये काम चलेगा तब तक टर्मिनल 1 की जो कुछ उड़ानें होगी वो टर्मिनल 2 और 3 से होगी। ये भी हमने आज वहां पे कर दिया है।
और टर्मिनल 1 कब तक ऑपरेशनल हो जाएगा, क्या इसकी कोई जानकारी है आपके पास?
नहीं जी, अभी तो वो काम शुरू करना है। वो कितना डिमोलिश करना पड़ रहा है, उसमें क्या चलेगा, थोड़ा रिपोर्ट आने के बाद उस पर हम बात कर सकते हैं।
Okay, Muralidhar Mohal, MOS Civil Aviation, joining us on the phone line. Thank you, sir, for joining us and getting us all those details. So the government there making one thing clear: the opposition has pinned the blame on the Modi government, blaming the Modi government for what happened. They are saying that in fact, this roof was constructed in 2008, 2009. That's a response coming in from the government. Taking a short break here. We'll be back with more news and updates.